In this video, I'll guide you through how to approve a bill in bill.com. Approving bills is an essential part of managing your business finances efficiently, and today we're going to break down the process step by step so you can handle it with ease. First, let's start by navigating to the necessary section within bill.com. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation sidebar menu. This menu is designed to give you quick access to various sections of the platform, making it easier to manage your tasks. What you're looking for here is the Approvals tab. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked on the Approvals tab, you should see your screen displaying the Master Approvals Directory grid list. This grid is essentially your control center for bill approvals. It neatly organizes all the bills that require your attention, allowing you to review and manage each one efficiently. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific bill that you want to approve. Once you've found the bill you need to review, clicking directly on it will bring up all the details you need to make an informed decision. Here, you'll find all the necessary information about the bill, such as the vendor details, the due date, the total amount, and any notes or attachments that might be relevant. This is your chance to ensure everything looks correct and aligns with your records or expectations. Reviewing a bill thoroughly is crucial before giving your approval. Make sure the figures match the agreed terms and that there are no discrepancies. If there's an attachment, such as an invoice or a receipt, consider opening and reviewing it to verify its contents. This step is all about ensuring transparency and accuracy in your financial dealings. Once you've completed your review and everything checks out, it's time to approve the bill. Approving the bill is straightforward. Normally, you'll find an Approve button or option within the bill details screen. Clicking this signifies that you have reviewed the bill, verified its details, and are ready to authorize the payment. This step not only updates the status of the bill in the system, but also triggers any subsequent actions needed for payment processing. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to approve a bill in bill.com. By following these steps, you can ensure that your bills are reviewed and approved in a timely manner, helping you maintain a smooth financial workflow. Remember, taking a little extra time to review each bill thoroughly can save you from potential issues down the line and keeps your business finances in check. If you have any questions or need a refresher, feel free to revisit this guide. With these steps, approving bills will become a seamless part of your routine. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips on managing your business finances.